Kindiki.
Thank you for turning up for this briefing, which we promised to be doing every day until the matter before us is concluded. The mortal remains of our departed leader, former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, arrived today, touching down at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport at 9:30 a.m. and welcomed tumultuously by thousands of grief-stricken mourners. President William Ruto and former President Uhuru Kenyatta led the family and dignitaries in the solemn state reception. The hearse carrying the remains of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga was escorted from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport all the way to Kasarani Stadium, a nearly 40 kilometers journey by thousands of mourners arriving there shortly after 2:30 p.m. Upon arrival at Kasarani Stadium, military honors, prayers, and viewing of the body were done in the attendance of President William Ruto, former President Uhuru Kenyatta, family, dignitaries, and the top military command of the country. Public viewing of the mortal remains of our departed leader has just concluded peacefully at Kasarani. And we had intended to extend that viewing to as far as it would have become necessary, because we didn't want to give any mourner a reason to doubt that we all collectively want to mourn the late Prime Minister as much as possible. The National Committee on the state funeral of the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga is grateful to the thousands of mourners who continue to mourn him in dignity, and requests for calm and order as the mourning period gets into the second day tomorrow.